What is up, you guys? It's your boy Jason, and today I have someone really special. We have Asu, who's a gorgeous model. We're gonna do this ombre wink liner look on her today. First step that we're gonna go for is to add tape on the sides of her eyes, and this is a cheat technique that we do. I'm gonna use two shades, which is Aquamarine and also Smoky Quartz, which is a deep brown with metallic finish. So the first color that I'm gonna go for is Smoky Quartz. I'm gonna drag the color from the outer V of her eye to inwards, and then I'm going to blend it. And then I'm gonna use Aquamarine and just add a little bit of shade and blend that too. Also, I want my liner, and especially the tip of my liner, the arch of it, to be darker as compared to the rest of the liner. So I'm gonna go back to Smoky Quartz and just build it up. It's gonna blend the edges so nothing is dark or sharp. I'm gonna repeat the same process on the other side. Blend out the color. Our ombre has a second shade to blend into, and then buff that also. And I'm gonna go back to Smoky Quartz and just add depth again. I'm gonna remove the tapes, and then I'm gonna use the highlighter and the blush, both of them together, and just hit it on the highest points of her face. I'm going to finish off this look by using Rosé, which is a beautiful pink nude shade from the Butterlicious Lip Collection. So that's the finished look. We have the perfect brown wing liner. We have the right amount of highlight from the CHISEL Showstopper palette. I think this look looks stunning. It's entirely balanced and looks stunning on Asu. So do you want to see?
Yes, of course.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you ready for this? Okay, so.
Wow. I love
she likes it. Alright, cool. And I hope you guys like it too, and this video. And if you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep yourself more updated for more such videos. Till then, it's me and Asu saying bye.